Morning, my friends. There are a few things that I want to address with you. Thank you so much for subscribing to UFD Deals. Really appreciate the 2,000 plus that have come over since we started this channel. Absolutely amazing. The growth has been phenomenal. Just really appreciate all of you. And secondly, be sure to share these videos with everybody that you know who might be wanting to take advantage of some of these deals. It really helps out the channel if you do that. Also, be sure to smash the like button. Let me know what your favorite deals are down below in the comments. And then thirdly, my friends, we at UFD Tech, not here at the UFD Deals channel, we are converting all of our videos into podcasts. So if you want to subscribe on Anchor, iTunes, Pocket Cast, with a few more coming down the line, you can head on to the link in the video description. And if you don't have time to keep up with all of the videos that we produce in video form, but you have more time to, listen with your headphones while you're running or something like that, we also are going to have an audio format for UFD Tech, and you can definitely check that out just in case. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump into today's deal. So the first deal that we have is something that happened yesterday at the end of the video, but I wanted to bring it up again because this is a 1070 Ti going for MSRP. This is $500 for this Gigabyte 1070 Ti. That is a great price. That is MSRP for an aftermarket model, and it's still in stock, limit 5 per customer, so apparently Newegg isn't limiting for minors. $500 sales ends in 15 hours. If you've been looking for a 1070 Ti at MSRP, here you go. You can see it's $80 cheaper than the closest competitor that is on Newegg right now. I've seen others that are going for $550. $500 aftermarket 1070 Ti from Gigabyte. There you go. Gigabyte also has a sale on their GTX 1080, which isn't fantastic. It's going for $580, so you're spending $80 more to get a slightly better card. And then there's an $80 combo deal where you can get the what? The master. Yeah, okay, no, thank you. Okay, that's a weird combo deal. Anyways, that's also on sale right now, $580 for a 1080. Not an amazing price, but it exists. There we go. Moving into new deals today, not something that we've covered before here. We've got this Rosewell ATX mid-tower chassis. Supports up to 400mm long graphics cards. Comes with 2 fans pre-installed. I presume one in the front as well as one in the rear. It's not a bad looking case, actually. I usually think of Rosewell as being a little bit more budget, but this is pretty good. So this is going for $39.99, which makes it $5 off right now. So you save 11%. We also have this NZXT H440. I actually like this a lot better than the old H440s. Wow, okay. $120 right now. There's a $20 rebate. You save $40 total, 14%. It's 28% after everything's said and done. If you want to pick that up, wow, yes, please. Okay, moving on. Then we also have, just in a different color, this one is going for $90 instead of $100. If you get the white and black edition as opposed to the black and red edition, you save $30 rebate, $20 off. So that's a pretty good discount if you want the white and black versus the black and red, which even the fan in this one's white. That's a good looking case. Then we also have the Razer edition that's also on sale, $120 because you get the Razer logo, because that's just how things work. So that's the end of cases. Let's move on to miscellaneous. We got the Roland TT99 3-speed NanoNat special edition turntable. It is $220, which makes it $129 off. If you've been looking for a turntable of any sort, there you go. $220 for this Roland turntable. Then we also have this Dell C2660 plain color laser printer. It just does laser printing. $150 means it's $200 off. You save 57%. That is a great price for a laser printer. Then we also have this Kodak Mini Portable instant photo printer, because it's gold because that's the color of Kodak coin. If you haven't heard, Kodak coin's the next big thing that you're supposed to be investing in, because Kodak coin is the future. $69.64, $30 off, save 30% if you want to print out pictures instantly. There you go, this slim little photo printer. Does it have NFC technology? Yeah, that's pretty neat. That's not bad. That's miles better than Kodak miners. We've got this Amazon Key HomeFit Amazon Cloud Cam Key Edition indoor security camera and compatible smart lock, going for $170. You save $120 off as opposed to buying these separately, as well as it just looks like these are on sale. $170. The Cloud Cam by itself is $100. So that's actually a decent deal. And this is how the Amazon delivery guys can get into your house, which is fantastic, because that's what you want. You want delivery people in your house, just yeah, there you go. See, that's what they do. They get in your house. They don't snoop around. I'm sure they don't. Anyways, moving on. Then we also have the Cooler Master RGB hard gaming mouse pad with optimized surface, non-slip grips, and 9 RGB presets. $27.49. That is $2.50 savings. Save 8%, but then there's a $15 rebate, making this one of the cheapest RGB mouse pads that I've ever seen. It's not a wide boy. Let's fix that. There we go. It's not a wide boy. There we go. RGB, $12.49 for an RGB hard mouse pad. Then we got a phone. We got the Huawei Mate SE factory unlocked, 6-inch phone, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, octa-core processor, 16 megapixel camera. Does it have dual cameras on the back? It does have dual cameras on the back. Look at that, my friends. This basically looks like an iPhone with a fingerprint sensor on the back. I'm okay with that. $229. It's $20 off. You save 8%. It looks to be also has micro SD, dual nano SIMs. Wow, that's big. Geez, this is a great deal. I mean, the reviews, what are the reviews like? So the review is 4.5 stars. Geez. 6 inches, 18 to 9 resolution aspect ratio, dual rear cameras. That's 3440. Wow. I'm impressed by this phone. Okay, moving on. For storage, we got this Western 2 terabyte yellow My Passport. If you're looking for something gaudy and garish that looks like a brick of gold, there you go, $69. It's 37% off right now for this 2 terabyte look at me hard drive. We also have in a red, and then we also have this Toshiba 1 terabyte normal flat black, $47.99. So you're paying significantly less, but it's also only 1 terabyte. It's $4 off. You save 8% there. We got this Gigabyte X370 motherboard. So this is going to be old generation once X470 launches on April 19th. So this is going for $103, which means it is currently 13% off of its other prices that you see on Newegg or elsewhere. Has steel reinforced PCI Express slot, four DIMM slots. There we go. Reviews are pretty good. Then we also have this ROG Maximus Hero Z370 motherboard. So this is going to be for your Coffee Lake chips. This is $20 off. You save 7%. That's RGB, all of that, 2 reinforced PCI Express slots. It's a good looking motherboard. It also has Wi-Fi, has AC Wi-Fi. It's only $259. That's not terrible. That's a good price. That's a good price. Because what's the normal Hero going for? Normal Hero is $242. You get Wi-Fi for $17. That's pretty good. Then we also have this ASRock Z370 Extreme 4. It's $157.28. There's a $10 rebate, which means you save $27.71 total. Got front USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C, 12-phase power delivery. There we go, up to 4333 megahertz RAM. And that's a good looking board. That like flat black and just silver accent aesthetic. Yes, please. Yes, please. ASRock, you make good looking boards, my friends. We got networking stuff. So we got this Ubiquiti Mesh Wi-Fi access point. It's going for $90 right now. There's an additional promo code right here, which gives you another $9 off. So it's $80 for this 2x2 MuMimo Unify Mesh access point. Then we also have this TP-Link TC7610. It's a cable modem. You can pick this up for $29.98, which means it's about $30 off of its normal price. Amazon also has it on sale for $35.41. It usually goes for over $40. Why are you doing that to me? There you go. That's a good price. And we also have this TP-Link Archer AC 1300 Wi-Fi PCI Express adapter. It's going for $45. You save $35 off of its normal price. There we look at that. Got the heat sink and everything. 1300 megabit per second Wi-Fi, 867 megabit per second on the 5 gigahertz band, or 400 on the 2.4, which is basically going to be fine for 90% of the people out there. And we also have this smart Wi-Fi router, AC 1900. It gives you 1300 on the 5 gigahertz and 600 on the 2.4 gigahertz. It's a router, so yeah, it has. Then we got some headphone deals. We got this Bear Dynamic DT770 Pro 80 ohm over-ear headphones going for $180 right now, and then you get a $50 Newegg gift card if you pick these puppies up. So this is basically $50 off your next purchase, but that $50 is a significant amount for these headphones, which the reviews are five eggs out of 5. Over 3 reviews doesn't mean they're fantastic, but they look pretty nice, and I've seen good reviews of these. Then we have a deal on the Samsung Gear Icon X 2018 edition. They're going for $150 when they normally sell for about $180. Amazon says they usually sell for $200. My friends, I've had these. Do not buy these. I like the deal. Yes, do not buy these. The volume is terrible. The fit is great. The functionality is great. The battery is great. Everything about these is amazing except for their volume. Like the charger case, everything is great on paper. Then you can't hear yourself. You put them in your ears and you can hear yourself chewing over anything you're listening to. The volume is just not there. Not worth picking up. I'm sorry. Even if this is a deal, I'm going to highly recommend that you do not buy this. Do not buy this. Unless I just have a faulty pair and then my volume is just not good. Anyways, that's my perspective on these. But then moving on to these We've got the SteelSeries Siberia P800 wireless gaming headset with Dolby 7.1 surround sound. It's going for $165 right now. These normally go for $200, so you're saving $35 right now, or about 17% for these decently rated headphones. I'm sure they're not great. Why did these have worse ratings than this? We've got FIFA 18 for the Xbox One. It's going for $50 right now. You save $10 right there. You also have this Thrustmaster. Why did you do that? We have this Thrustmaster T300, Ferrari pedal, all that kind of stuff. Has 3 eggs, so probably not the thing that you want to pick up. It's going for $449 right now instead of this $500 price tag. So you save $50. Reviews don't seem to be super positive, but the price is a little discounted there. Then we also have this Mad Catz Street Fighter V arcade fight stick for the PlayStation 4. It's going for $197.24. You save $32 or 14%. Then we also have the DualShock 4 wireless controller, PlayStation 4 Gold. If you're into garish, you're into gaudy, $46.96. You save $18 or 28% off of the normal price for this gold wrapped PlayStation 4 controller. Then we have the Asus ROG Swift PG27AQ. I've reviewed this monitor, 4K IPS G-Sync, 4 millisecond response time. Everything about this monitor is fantastic. $850 right now. It's a $50 off sale, 5%. Nothing fantastic, but this is a great monitor. I really enjoyed this. This is my first entry into G-Sync. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And then we also have this Dell U2712 1440p, 6 millisecond response time. It's also IPS. Has a 10% off promo code. It's going for $400, so it's already discounted. You get an additional $40 off. This makes this $360 for a 1440p low response time IPS Dell monitor, which Dell's customer service on monitors is absolutely fantastic. Then we also have this Ultra Sharp from them. This is 24-inch IPS, higher response time, 8 milliseconds, but this looks more like a professional monitor. It's going for $180 right now. You get an additional $30 off, which saves you a total of $150 off of its normal $300 price tag. So you're getting $150 for this 1080p, 24-inch, 8 millisecond response time. Or it's not even 1080p. What? It's 19 by 10. It's a 16 by 10, so it's 1920 by 1200. So this is a more professional aspect ratio. There you go. And that's going to wrap it up for Tech Deals for today, Daily Tech Deals. Let me know what your favorite was. Again, share this with anybody who's interested. If your friends have been looking for a 1070 Ti at MSRP, all of the links are going to be in the video description. They are affiliate codes that give us a small kickback and help us to continue doing this series and to justify to keep it going, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to UFD Deals. Much appreciated. And if you're watching this on the UFD Tech channel, be sure to head over to UFD Deals and subscribe there, because this is not going to stay on the main channel for too much longer. Just want to give it some time so that we can transfer everybody over. And with that, that's going to be it for UFD Deals today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers.